Hey guys, today I'm going to take you for a ride in Alipurduar town. It's a small town in the Dooars of North Bengal. I had a day's work at various parts of the town and I thought of making a video so that you could get acquainted with the roads of the town. So let's take you for a ride. I'm entering the town from the west via Sobhaganj. To your right, you'll find the way to the new Alipurduar railway station. And to your left is the Monojitnag bus terminus, the biggest bus terminus in the town. You'll get buses to all towns near and far from this place. We are now at Alipurduar Chowpatty. It's the meeting point of 4 roads from 4 different directions in the town. We will be heading towards Marwari Patti. This is the business center of the town and I have a small work to do there. We have now reached Hospital Chowpathy. It's in Marwari Patti. To the right is the Alipurduar District Hospital. This is the main Marwari Patti area. You can see all the business establishments on both sides of the road. It's an old area in Alipurduar, decided mostly by the business people, business community of the Marwaris. My work in Marwari Patti is done, and right now I'm heading back towards Alipurduar Chowpatty. Oh no, slow traffic. I really hate slow traffic. Traffic is quite bad in Alipurduar lately. Well, we are back at Alipurduar Chowpatty, and now we'll move left towards the north on Buxa feeder road. This is the Buxa feeder road. It's a 4-lane road, one of the first 4-lane roads in Alipurduar town. This place is called Bhangapur. It's the border between the old part of the town and the new part of the town. There's a Kali temple to the right. It's called Rajabhatkhawa. So we have just entered the new town in Alipurduar, which incidentally is the new part of town. It's like you have downtown or uptown in the US. Every Indian city has a new town in India. Almost every Indian city. And that's how it is. We are now at Madhab in Alipurduar, and to your right is the municipal offices of Alipurduar. There are various offices, LIC office, municipal office, and various banks. And to the left, the Macwilliam Higher Secondary School, one of the famous schools in Alipurduar. And we'll be going towards College Halt, where the State Bank and various other offices are there. This is the College Halt. The State Bank is to the left. And now we move forward north on Buxa feeder road. We are now at Courtmore, and to your right, the roads leading to the district administration. All the district offices are there, and the fire brigade is also there. In front of you is the Assam Gate Flyover, but we cannot get on the flyover right now as it's not completed yet. It's under construction. A small part is still to be finished. The name of this place, Assam Gate, is due to the railway crossing, the line that leads to Assam from Alipurduar. And this part you can see on the right is not completed yet, the flyover. Assam Gate is an important landmark in Alipurduar, and it will continue to be so even after the flyover is completed. The city actually is divided into 2 distinct parts, and we are moving to the next part. We have been to the first part, that is Alipurduar town. Now we are moving towards Alipurduar Junction, that's the railway colony. For your information, Alipurduar is one of the divisional headquarters of NF Railway, Northeast Frontier Railway, India. And you can see the Alipurduar Junction station to your right. It's one of the 5 railway stations in Alipurduar town, and arguably the biggest one. There's the entrance to the station. Now since we're in Alipurduar Junction, it would be unfair if I didn't take you to the flyover bridge that is over Alipurduar Junction station. So let me take you there. So we are now on the narrow flyover bridge above Alipurduar Junction station. It's quite a view from there. You can get a good view of the station from this place. This bridge is especially for bikes, not for big cars. And now you can see how the station looks from above. You can see the station and the mountains in the background. So let's continue to the other side. Most of the area in Alipurduar Junction is under the Indian Railways, and since it's the divisional headquarters of Indian Railway, the most of the place is used up for railway offices and railway quarters for employees. Railway hospital you see on the right, the Railway Institute and the Institute Field, and the Indo Stadium you can see on the right, the Railway Zonal Training School for the employees, the railway drivers, ticket checkers and everyone. All of these are in Alipurduar Junction. We are now moving towards DRM Chowpatty. You can see the microwave communications towers on the left of your screen to the top. From here you can see the Divisional Railway Manager's office. The Divisional Railway Manager is the head of the Alipurduar Division Railways. And out here in DRM Chowpatty you get very nice jobs, that is fried pakoras, so say. So my day's work in Alipurduar is done, and we are moving ahead on Buxa road, leaving Alipurduar behind. So hope you like my video, and if you do, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And for more videos like this, stay tuned. Till then, peace out.